How are you doing today? You got Michael Wood here with Virtualize Brief, and we are going to take a look at how to deploy a simple and easy documentation website using a tool called Retype, which is undergirded by Markdown files. And as you can see here, we have the GitHub page for Virtualize Brief up. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on Collections and click on Retype. And we'll find all of the information needed to accomplish this apart from the video on the GitHub page. We'll go ahead and open up the single PowerShell file that is needed to accomplish this, copy the code, and let's open up PowerShell and run him as administrator. And once PowerShell is open here, we'll go ahead and drop in the code and hit the run button. And now that that's taking place, we'll go ahead and minimize him. What's going to happen is we'll have a folder structure created. It'll be a support folder which has inside of it Storehouse and Storehouse's site, and it'll create some files inside of there. But we'll see here in just a moment, once that gets completed, the web page should open automatically inside of Edge. We're going to also want to copy in the icon file. So let me go ahead and pull that up here. And once the page opens for Storehouse, you'll see the deployment takes about 1 to 2 minutes and you are up and running. From that point on, you simply need to create Markdown files, which will be the basis of all your documentation. And you'll see the support folders created here, and the site will open any moment. Let it refresh once, twice. There we go. You see the logo's missing. We'll return to the GitHub page and we will save the image into the support folder under Storehouse, Site, Files. Once we hit save, we'll go back to the Storehouse site and you'll see it will immediately update the logo. We'll hit refresh and the page is still in good order there. We'll go over to Support, Storehouse, Site, and as an example, we'll create a new category. We'll call that category Citrix. And so you simply make a folder named after the category, and now we'll make our first document. We'll call it Workspace Reset, and these will be .md files. And then we'll go ahead and edit that file. Let's go ahead and place his icon to look like a rocket. And we'll call him Citrix, or we'll call him Workspace App Reset. And then we'll do step 1, do this. Step 2, do that. Step 3, all done. If this doesn't work out, contact the service desk. And for the service desk, we'll go ahead and give him a website link. We'll just put it to Google and we'll bracket the words to place the link under. And then we'll go ahead and hit save. Once we hit save, you'll see on the left menu here, Citrix, the category, if you'd like to call it that, is on the left menu, and then the first document is Workspace App Reset, and here are the goods for that. And so that's how to publish a document and get you up and running on the Storehouse site. I like to call it, that's the theme. Retype is the engine underneath it, and Markdown is the format for all of your documentation. Once again, my name is Michael Wood with Virtualize Brief, and if this video does interest you, I can make some further ones that go into greater detail on how to organize the site and have him looking polished as can be. There's also other deployment methods. I've had success, deploying this through Linux machines, and also as Git repositories can also host the site. So functioning on Windows, Linux, and any Git repository to have a storehouse, retype, documentation site up and running. And we'll call it good for now, and I thank you for your time.